I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with prerequisites already installed. You will jump straight into creating a multi-screen app. Open Android Studio, create an empty activity using Kotlin, set the package name, and enable view binding in build. Gradle. Once done, add Jetpack navigation dependency and SafeArgs plugin so navigation types are safe. Make sure to sync the project. You do this now because view binding and navigation provide the structure that avoids manual find view by ID work and simplifies screen transitions. You will now construct the navigation graph and fragments. Create nav graph, XML, and add fragment destinations for each screen, then define actions representing transitions. This centralizes navigation logic. Make fragments use view binding and accept SafeArgs generated classes for arguments. Replace any extra activities by a single activity hosting nav host fragment in activity main. XML so the nav controller manages back stack consistently. Once the graph is wired, call find nav controller. Navigate, action, to move between screens with type. You complete the app by wiring UI events to navigation actions and handling up /back behavior through nav controller. Navigate up. Make sure fragments restore state using viewModel or save state handle for rotation and process death. Test deep links and argument passing across screens. Confirm transitions and animations if used. If something fails, first verify navigation ID match and SafeArgs plugin applied. Then check Android X versions and sync errors. Finally, run the app on emulator and a physical device to confirm the multi-screen flow works end to end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.